President Trump is focusing on 3 prospective Supreme Court nominees, sources said Thursday, with conservatives divided on the pro-life records of the candidates who have emerged. Sources familiar with the selection process say Mr. Trump, after speaking with 6 judges, is looking in particular at federal appeals court judges Brett Kavanaugh, Amy Coney Barrett and Raymond Kethledge. "I am thrilled with all those names," said Carrie Severino, chief counsel of the Conservative Judicial Crisis Network. "Trying to figure out which one of those to pick is a great problem to have." With Mr. Trump's announcement coming Monday to fill the seat of retiring Justice Anthony M. Kennedy, some conservatives are taking aim at Judge Kavanaugh, of the Circuit Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia, for rulings on abortion and Obamacare. "Absolutely, there is cause for concern about Judge Kavanaugh," a prominent conservative activist said on condition of anonymity. In a ruling last year, Judge Kavanaugh sided with the administration in the case of a pregnant immigrant teen, who crossed the border illegally, and sought an abortion. He ruled in the minority, which would have prevented her release from federal custody. He criticized the majority's ruling for creating a new right for unlawful immigrant minors in U.S. government detention to obtain immediate abortion on demand and said he would have given the government more time to find a sponsor for the girl. But some pro-life groups take issue with Judge Kavanaugh for not joining in a separate dissent from Judge Karen LeCraft Henderson, who wrote that the teenager had no right to an abortion because she was not a citizen and had entered the country illegally. And some conservatives fault Judge Kavanaugh's 2011 ruling on Obamacare, in which he dissented from the majority decision upholding the law but did so on jurisdictional grounds rather than the merits. As a former member of the George W. Bush administration and a longtime judge on the D.C. Appellate Court, he